you. So guys, this is the Hong Kong iconic Peak Tram. Is the world's deepest funicular railway, guys. Hey guys, magandang araw sa inyong lahat and namaste. Welcome again to my channel guys. This is Lynn Karki. So today's video guys, I'll be showing you around Peak Tram. So now I'm inside the tram guys and let's go. So guys, trams runs between Central and the Peak and it takes approximately 6 minutes for its journey. It takes people from 4 meters to 396 meters above sea level guys. The tram departed every 15 minutes. Yeah guys. So guys, join me to enjoy this beautiful view in this window side guys. Yeah, and you know guys, this tram is operated since 1888 guys, so it's been a long years. From here guys, we can see the amazing view from this place guys. The whole Hong Kong can be seen in this big tram area. So now we can now enjoy a little bit view from this side. So here we go guys, welcome to Peak Station, and this is the souvenir shop guys. It's so good, it's just on the entrance area, this souvenir shop. So can we buy so many quality of souvenirs and beautiful and affordable prices. taas guys. I feel scared. Natakot naman ang taas. Now guys, I'm inside the Peak Tower, and Peak Tower offers a wide selection of restaurant and shop guys. There are so many selection of shops. You can buy souvenirs, everything we can buy here, and delicious foods over here guys. And the Hong Kong branch of Madame Tussauds. I don't know that's the correct pronunciation or not. I'm not sure. And amazing viewpoint, the Sky Terrace 428 at the top, and Trick Eye Museum. Actually, all unfortunately closed today, guys, and I'm sorry about that again because of pandemic. So for people protection and to save all the people, then they just shut it down temporarily guys. And yeah guys, so this is the view in Peak Tram area guys. It's really so beautiful. So thank you guys again for watching, and that's the end of the video guys in Peak Tram. Sorry guys, really so many things are closed, so I would not be able to show you all the adventures in Peak Tram. So thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I love you guys. Bye.